The tropical rainforest is located in Central and Southern America, Southeast Asia, and West Africa. The climate is warm, rainy, and sunny. It is very biodiverse.
One of the main keystone species in the tropical rainforest are orangutans. They are the largest tree-dwelling animals in the world. They eat fruit and they disperse seeds and keep up biodiversity.
They once thrived throughout Southeast Asia, and now they are limited to the rainforest of Borneo and Sumatra. They are facing extinction.